Hello friends, hope you guys are doing well. This is Manjeet Kumar. I am here with another exciting opportunity for you. Concordia University Canada launched a fully funded scholarship program for undergrad, grad and masters and PhD program. So in this video we will cover all the details about this scholarship opportunity. So keep watching this video till the end, and in the end of video I will also share the website link and details of this scholarship. So go through this video. If you didn't subscribe our channel till now, then subscribe it. So without wasting our time, let's move to the this scholarship details. Okay, Concordia University Canada scholarship for fall intake program. Application are started for fall intake. For fall intake, the fall intake in Canada is the largest intake in Canada, which offer all degree programs for bachelor, master, PhD, diploma, certificate programs. Uh, Concordia University has cancelled IELTS and TOEFL language test due to COVID-19. You can apply by study without IELTS in Canada, or you can give Duolingo English test from home. They are accepting Duolingo English test. Concordia University has more than 600 study programs available to international students, Canadian citizens. The Concordia Scholarship is available in all subjects. The university has more than 35,000 international students and 2.2 lakh alumni around the world. Canada is known for providing quality education to international students at an affordable cost. So keep watching this video till the end. I will share the all details about this scholarship program. So you can see the all details, and I am also covering the most important details here. You are eligible to apply for a scholarship in Concordia University, like Concordia University External Scholarships, Concordia University Merit Scholarship, and other financial resources are also available. Start your journey today. See yourself at Concordia. The acceptance of application in this university is 78.2%. Therefore, getting into Concordia is easier compared to other universities. So now I am going to tell you about the details about Concordia University Canada scholarships. It's a fully funded scholarship program. Country name is Canada. The university located in Canada. University name Concordia University. Degree level bachelor, master, PhD, diploma or certificate program. Financial coverage. It's a fully funded scholarship program. Deadline 1st February in for fall intake. Level of interest, and you can also read the all details about this. Here I am sharing these all details. Uh, Level of interest: undergraduates, bachelor's and certificate, graduate, master, specialized, graduate, diploma, doctorate, diploma or certificate programs. Concordia University scholarship fields of study. There are many fields are available in Concordia University for study. Undergraduate, master and doctoral program, administrator and management. There is a huge list of all programs mentioned here. I am reading some programs, and you can go through that all programs. You can read also. Uh, Arts and music, communication, economics, politics, health science, humanities, law, life science, literature, language, social science, faculty of arts science, faculty of fine arts, school of graduate studies. So there is a long here is a long list of the study programs. You can go through that. You can search out your study area here, and you can also apply for this scholarship program. So scholarship benefits, now I am telling you the scholarship benefits. Concordia University Presidential Scholarship cover the full costs of tuition and fees, books and residence and meal plan fees. uh, 21-22 top Concordian undergraduate graduate entrance scholarship valued at 10,000 Canadian dollar. Concordia University doctoral graduate fellowship valued at 14,000 per year for 4 years. Concordia International Tuition Award of Excellence award value is paying tuition fees at the cubic rate valued at approximate 39.28 thousand Canadian dollar, 39,000 Canadian dollar approximately. Concordia Merit Scholarship valued $10,000 Canadian dollar valued approximately. So here you can see the visit here link. So I will mention these all links in the description box. You can go through that all links and see the all details. Applicants are automatically considered for all Concordia entrance scholarship through the individual faculty graduate admission office. Indigenous graduate scholarship. Concordia offers top-up funding to indigenous graduate students who have been awarded scholarship. There are 10 doctoral and 20 master's scholarships annually, each valued at $10,000, with the doctoral scholarship offering $10,000 per year for up to 4 years. Step for completing Concordia application. So, 6 simple steps to make your way to Concordia University Canada scholarship for international students. The all steps are mentioned here. I am reading these steps one by one, and you can also keep this thing in mind. Choose a program, review the requirements, find a supervisor, apply. After you have applied, new students prepared for the first year. Eligibility criteria. Every scholarship and any program is having some eligibility criteria. This is where this scholarship program is also having an eligibility criteria. You can go through it. Must be an international student or Canadian student, international or domestic. Applicants must be enrolled full time in a study program throughout their studies at the University de Montreal. English language requirement. Concordia University has cancelled IELTS and TOEFL language test due to COVID-19. They are accepting Duolingo English proficiency test. Deadline of this scholarship program is 1st February 2022 for fall intake. How to apply for Concordia Scholarship 2022? The application process is totally online. You can go through the official web links. I will mention these all official website links in the description of this video, and also share in comment. I will also pin this official web links in comment box. You can go through that. If you are having any difficulty while applying this scholarship program, if you want to ask anything about this scholarship, you can ask. You can direct mail to this on this university. The guys will help you very soon. Otherwise, you can also comment here. I will also try to help you in that. So you can see the official web links are looking like this for graduate programs. You can see here. This is the short review of the official website. You can read all the details here and you can apply from here. Here is apply option is shown. You can apply from here. For undergrads, this website, you can see the website. By the help of the Concordia University website, you can also visit the campus, because they guys are providing the 360 campus visit. So visit the campus and read all details about this university. Okay guys, so I think I cover all the details about this scholarship program. If any detail is missed, and if you are confused in that detail, so you can ask me about that in comment box. I'll try to answer that. Okay, so Thank you for watching.
Right.